In this video, I'm going to give you a tip that when you're changing out an old controller, it's something you can do that makes sure you get all the wires back in order. Kelly Staggs here, American Irrigator, trying to make you a better irrigator. Consider subscribing, that way you don't miss any tips. Now when you have an old controller like this one, and you're going to change it out, one of the tips I want to give you, before you take any of this off and redo anything, first go through all the settings and write them down. Make sure you have everything written down of how it's programmed, what's programmed on what program, and all that kind of stuff. That way you can put it back the exact same. The other thing, and the main thing I want you to do, is when you open up the back, zoom in and take a picture of the order of the wires. I mean, you might have to spread them out to kind of see, but if you take a picture, and then when you go put the new controller up, man, just look at that picture and you put them all back in the same order. It's going to save you a lot of time than trying to guess and then turning it on and seeing what does what. Take a picture and that helps you put it right back in the exact order it was.